Chef Anna with Stu Nutrition Services here. Today we're going to be showing you how to make our Friday featured recipe, Chicken Bacon Ranch Panini. In your virtual take-home meals, you should have received a package that has our pulled chicken, shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheese, 2 slices of whole grain flatbread, 2 pieces of our turkey bacon, and a serving of our ranch. The other items you're going to need for your recipe today are a sheet pan to bake it in the oven, a spoon to spread your ranch out with, either pan spray or some melted butter will do, and then an oven preheated to 350 degrees. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my sheet pan with my pan spray. You can also brush your melted butter on there as well. I'm going to take out my 2 pieces of whole grain flatbread, place those right on the pan there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to spread a little bit of my ranch out on either side of my flatbread. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pulled chicken and I'm going to spread that out on one side, just like so. I'm going to follow that up with my shredded cheese blend. And top that off with my 2 pieces of turkey bacon, just like so. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the other side of my flatbread, flip that over, and press down. Move that to the center of my pan here. Okay, so now that we're all stacked up and ready to go on our pan here, we're going to put that in the oven at 350 degrees for about 7 to 10 minutes, just to get it all melted and nice and toasted. Alright, so this has been in the oven at 350 for about 7 minutes. You want to make sure that the edge of your flatbread is nice and toasted, golden brown, that your cheese is melted and it's warm and cooked all the way through. So this is ready to go. You can cut it in half and enjoy. Fuel up your body so you can fill up your mind.